We are in the midst of polishing and coating this beautiful 2019 Porsche Panorama. Now it has these matte wheels that looked really, really bad at first, but we're trying something new that we've never really used that often. We've used it before, but not on wheels like this. So check this out. This stuff right here is from Dr. Beasley's. This is their matte wheel seal. It's basically a ceramic sealant or ceramic coating for your wheels. And it's designed for matte wheels. Now, here's what the wheel looks like after. It looks really, really nice, right? Yeah, not bad at all. Now, matte is weird because you're going to have weird little stains here and there. And this vehicle definitely has some mileage. It's got chips, it's got gouges in the paint, it's got all sorts of weird stuff going on. And we're trying our best to make it look good, but there's only so far we can go. Oh, look at that big smudge right there. That's just a smudge. Now, wifey is doing this wheel right here. That's not done yet. This, she's working it into the wheel and it restores it and then protects it. You want to see what these wheels look like before? Well, check out the other side. It's not done yet. This is what it looks like. Very dull looking and just not really nice. So it's going to retain the matte look, but it's going to restore it, making it look nicer and kind of hiding some of the stains that will occur on those wheels. So again, this one is done and it just looks awesome. Tires aren't dressed yet, but the wheels are looking so nice. So I'm impressed. The application of it is a little weird. It goes on and kind of beads up. Looks like the wheel is rejecting it, but just keep working it in and towel it off. And then you're good to go. It is really, really cool stuff. So if you're dealing with matte wheels and you need to restore matte wheels, then this is the stuff. Yes, that was bugging me too. I fixed it.